Hi guys, it's your boy Boy FX. Welcome to my channel. It's been a while. We've been here. This is a comeback for me. Yes, I took a break for a while, and this is a comeback for me. I took 2 weeks break, and this is the first trade that I have given to the VIPs, and as you can see, we are massive profit. We are massive profit. This is kudos to the price action, but I'm going to be showing you how to use indicators, the indicators down there. I'm going to be showing you how to use that indicator down there to catch spikes and also to um, scalp on any pair that we can catch our hands on. Okay, but first of all, you guys know that you have to subscribe to my channel, please. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. I'll be very glad if you do that. Thank you very much. For those of you that wants to join our VIP, of course, our VIP is booming. Let me just show you a tip of this. So this is it. Before I went on a break, I told them to sell the VIX 75, and I told them to sell the VIX 75, and it was a huge one because I've been following up the trade even when I wasn't around. And when I came back, that was the first market I gave to them, which is the buy the VIX 75, and we've been in good profit, massive profit, big cash out. So if you want to join us, make sure you join us, and also know that we are still running our mentorship program, of course, and we also running the Profirm. As you can see, this account right now is a Profirm account here. It's a Profirm account, so we are in huge profit, and I expect market to buy to this our support, and we're going to make profit out of it. So now you'll be asking me, how did I get to know that market is going to buy? Fine, you've seen that I had my analysis drawn on the higher time frame. If you let's start with the daily. If you see the daily, you see that this is an uptrend, okay, but it has broken that trend. Of course, yes, it has broken that trend, but on the daily time frame it could still result to a fake breakout. Okay, it could still result to a fake breakout. So that's why I had to go on the lower time frame to see what's been going on, because market, as expected, is supposed to keep selling. So what if it wants to break there and retest this trend line over here? So that's a big question. So now I had to go to the lower time frame. I have my support somewhere there, which I think I got from the 4 hours. I've been following up this trade. So some of this analysis has been from a week ago, which still is going to be valid. Okay, it's still going to be valid for me. Of course, I could just extend this to somewhere here. Okay, those should be our resistance. So you see that there has been a very huge pullback on the H4. If you look at this particular candlestick, which will close in 1 hour time, sorry, in 58 minutes time, we expect a huge pullback. Okay, this market has pulled back. So this candlestick is a very important candlestick, and if by the time the 1 hour candle, sorry, the 4 hour candlestick closes, and this candlestick happens to turn bullish, like give us a green sign, a green color here, like turns bullish, we are sure that the market is still going to keep buying. It's going to break that region and maybe come retest this trade line that we saw. It might just come retest. You see this, it came retested, came down, retested, came down, and started buying back. So it might retest it or break it and keep doing what it was doing on the daily, which was the buy. So this is an uptrend. So each lower time frame shows you what's been going on, and that was what made me get into this market. Once I saw that market got to this level and it has retested this place, we have on the 1 hour, you see that I have another uptrend, which I feel is forming the uptrend to go meet the previous one or to go retest that trend line over there or the support, any of that. But we just have to be patient to watch out for this, okay? But it's very okay for you to take your trade. This is a profit account and we are in huge profit, yeah? Of course, we are in huge profit. So I can actually decide to hold because I'm done with the drawdown and I'm in profit. But it's also okay to close because this is like 700 and I still have other trades that I can still go on. This is our first trade and I still have at least 27 more days to go up. So a lot is going to happen. So guys, we're going to go today indicator settings. Of course, I just have to show you guys this. So I prefer using price action to trade. It's actually very is very significant. Of course, it helps you a lot. Okay, it helps a lot, and I deal with higher time frames. So I expect market to pull back up, but it's okay to take your profits if you have reached your target for the day. Of course, everybody has their target, and also it's always very interesting to be swinging trades. Okay, so I also told my team we'll be doing more of the swing trading because I expect everyone to get a profit account so that we can swing trade and make profit, and you know what that means. So now let's go to why we are actually here. The which are we gonna use? Okay, guys, let's just take, I like working with crash 300. Okay, I like working with crash 300, but we could still do the boom 500 or the boom 300, whichever one. Okay, so whichever one. Wow. So I had this analysis drawn yesterday. I've been looking at the boom. Okay, so first of all, we start with the higher time frame. I'm going to show you how to use the indicator settings to make this work out for you. But also, first, let's see how this works on the how this works on the indicate on the boom 300. So now we've seen that this is a very high sell. Okay, this is a sell, it's a downtrend, and what this deal is showing us is, hey guys, we also have a support at this level. Market can retest it. Of course, I made the market at this point coming down here, so I now place this because I expected market to pull back. But market, if you go on the lower time frame, of course, which I'm going to show you, let's go to 4 hours. You've seen that it went a bit below this support. Okay, went a bit below the support before buying back. So that is price action. That is price action. Now, I expect that support to hold. I expect the support to hold because on the higher time frame, it's been proven to be a good support. It has proven to be a good support. So I expect market to pull back from there, but I just have to be patient. Okay, I just have to be patient. That was a spike. There was a spike just right now, I guess. Yes, I'm sorry, my internet is not going to show it, but there's a spike somewhere around here. So I still expect market to pull back up because it has gotten to that support. But now I'm going to show you how to use indicators in between lower time frames. So down here I have the Chimoku, the RSI, and moving averages all on this indicator window, but there's nothing on my chart. So let's be using the 1 minute time frame. So now, how to catch spikes using these indicator settings. But you also have to note that you have to know the direction of the market. Okay, you have to know the trend of the market. But now we've seen that the market has gotten to a level of pullback, that's a support. Now it will be convenient for you to go in for a spike. But what you would really watch out for, okay, if you were to meet it halfway, is to scalp, that's to sell the market because it's the downtrend. Okay, so now how do you know when do you know how to catch spikes? Now you look out for this candlestick, sorry, I'm saying candlestick, sorry, this indicator that is running here. Once it gets to the level 10, I'm going to show you different confirmations. Once it gets to the level 10, that's the first confirmation, you expect a spike. And now this is when the moving averages all converge at the level 10 too. You see that there's been a touch when the two of them, that's the purple and the light blue, I think they have the bigger pixels. So when they converge at this level 10, we expect spikes. Okay, we expect spikes. That's how the indicator works. Okay, but you have to know where the market is going, like the trend. So we are going to backtest this. Okay, so now you see this. It's always good to really look out for the market on the look out for the moving averages if you want to catch spikes. So you see that once the moving averages got to this level 10, they converged there. We had spikes that bought it up, and you can still confirm that even somewhere here. Same thing happened here. So this is a proven strategy that is working. So that's how, if you want to catch spikes, that's how you catch spikes. And if you want to scalp, if you want to go in for a sell, what you should be looking out for is when there is a cross. When there is a cross between the moving averages. So now let's just go back to where we started from. Okay, so now here, this is what I'm talking about. Once you see the moving average cross over each other at the level 90, it's time for you to go in for a sell. It's time to go in for a sell. So this works very effectively. If you backtest this, you're just going to see the same thing happening over and over again, same thing. So you have to use this and have an edge over the market before you go in with your real account. So a quick one, I'm just going to show you the indicators I used. Of course, I'm going to show you the indicators I used. The RSI is the settings. Just screenshot these, the levels: 90, 20, 80, 10, 50, 70, and 30. Okay, this these levels are for different time frames, but just use the level 90 and level 10 because I use the 1 minute time frame. So you can just screenshot this, use any color, but be sure you know the color you're using. When you're done, you click on done, you go back, you add the Ichimoku, you can screenshot this. Okay, make sure that if you're using a black background, use the colors I'm using. If you're using a white background where I'm using black, make sure you use white. So after this, you go to the moving average. The first one, the period is 26, exponential, apply to close. And the next one is still the same thing, but the only thing is that the period has changed to 10, and you click on done, and you go back to your chart and wait to catch a spike, or you wait to scalp. So we are going to be going back to our VIX 75 because we are going to be very observant of this market to see what's going to happen. But I'm going to be taking my profit because we still have a long way to go. Of course, we still have a long way to go. And we are already making, maybe if I should make 1k, maybe another additional 700, or maybe make it 1.5 by today, that's going to be a huge boost for the account, and we can go on to get our real account. So guys, make sure you don't miss out on this. Hit me up, check the description of this video. You're going to find the link to our Telegram channel. Hit me up, you're going to find my WhatsApp number there as well. So we are going to be giving out exclusives. Okay, our classes are going to be, it's actually affordable. You learn in days. You become a pro in days, bro. Don't sleep on this. This is the only way that you can be sure you can take yourself out of that poverty. You don't want to be living in poverty. No. You have to make money. So make money with the Blue Boy team, and let's stay in profit together. See you guys. Bye.